Welcome back. Something very special today we are going to talk about. Yes, the back kick. So the back kick has many variations. You can do it like a jumping back kick, spinning back kick, or it can be just standing back kick. Or most of the time they are confused with back kick and side kick. There are small confusions also. कई लोग भूल जाते हैं कि back kick है कि side kick है. कोई बात नहीं, back kick हो कि side kick हो. You can call anything. Shakespeare said, "What is in the name?" So the side kick is usually like this, and the back kick traditionally has to be like this. But if I want to do a back kick like a side kick, no problem. Martial arts is a way to express yourself, right? तो मतलब आप अपनी बैक किक को सुपरमैन पंच भी कहो तो कोई बात नहीं, नो प्रॉब्लम. द टेक्निक इज इंपॉर्टेंट. टेक्निक क्या है बैक किक करने की? मोस्ट इफेक्टिव टेक्निक, नॉट द जंपिंग स्पिनिंग टाइप. The effective techniques that you see in fights, MMA fights, they can knock out people with that. That is very important. You should know how the torque is going, how to rotate your body and how to throw into that. मतलब एकदम सीधा पैर एकदम ऐसे जाएगा ना. It is one of the most deadliest kick you can do if you know it correctly. So most of the people you are going to fight are going to be right-handed. This is the most common fighting stance you will find. Maybe like this or like this, but they'll be in this position because they are all right-handed, most of them. So I want you to practice your back kick with your right leg. Why? Because in this stance, what you see is free, the abdomen. Because not a lot of people are fighting like Superfoot nowadays, right? They're all like this. Throw a few punches or kicks to the face level, and automatically after 5 minutes, their hands will rise up like this. This is free. And in the fight, only that thing should be to the body. All punches, kicks, let it be to the upper body. Don't worry if it is not. Usually ऐसी strategies fight में चलती नहीं. फिर भी if you are confident, if you are practicing, you do this, right? And this one, out of a sudden, out of nowhere, only one shot to the body, and that should be the back kick. It is easier to place because this abdomen is free, and you are kicking with your right leg. Very simple. I'm like this, and from here. Just by the sound of that bang, you can understand how powerful it can be. I'm not saying I can do this in a fight. If I practice, I can do it, right? But this is a very good technique, legit technique. I like to do my spinning back kick more like a turning side kick. This is the turning side kick I'm talking about. Because my side kick is more comfortable. आपके लिए भी जो भी किक आपके लिए ज़्यादा comfortable है, उसी तरीके से आपको करना चाहिए. I mean, if you are comfortable with jump, spinning back kick like this, you can go for this one. Otherwise, a double kick or something. But the side kick has to be understood like first you have to practice the front leg side kick. Front leg side kick is very similar to what you do in a turning side kick or turning back kick. Because पहले से सामने वाला पैर उठाया और इस तरीके से side kick किया. It is almost equal to doing it after the spin. After the spin, we are doing same thing. Front leg, side kick. So it is almost same. But there is one problem in this one, right? I'm going backwards. You don't have to go back. कहने का मतलब ये है body weight आगे आना चाहिए. See, then only the power will come. Say yes. So the body weight is important. Where do you put your body weight? Weight should be in the forward direction. You need the kick to be powerful. You can't do pull back and go back, right? It is not like that. If you are taking if you are in some kind of semi-contact or light contact fighting, it is okay. You can get point by doing this kind of thing. But if you want power, you want to knock out somebody. If you are in a real fight, you need your kicks to be powerful. How that will happen is because power always comes from turning and also shifting your weight forward. It is like you turn, and from here, see, my body weight is going into it. See, my body weight goes into it. That is what you want. एकदम पैर लेके घुस जाओ अंदर. कैसे करना है ये देखो. If this is the guard, I find a free abdomen inside over here. I want to kick. Something very simple. You can see the foot. Place it like this. Throw a fake punch or something. Spin, and from here, most of the people make this mistake. ऐसा नहीं करना है. ये इधर से पीछे की तरफ नहीं करना. Keep the body, try to keep the body straight, and then you will kick almost like a front leg side kick. See, it is like one, weight put forward, two. You can see that? So it becomes very powerful when it happens like, yes, you see that? again. Again. Woo. Woo. Again. And one small advice, if you're trying to do this kind of flashy stuff in a real fight, it won't work because we don't have practice to play something. These kind of spinning kicks, jump spin, full split kicks, it doesn't work in a fight because if you're like me, you practice this only once in a month, you will fail. Stick to the ground, do the normal spinning back kicks. These are way more effective. Quick revision, do not telegraph your kick. Don't go for jumping and things like that. It has to be fast. Concentrate more on your spinning because power comes from spinning and also putting your body weight forward. Don't telegraph the movement. Do it somewhat like straight, and spin should be hard. Spin hard. Look at the target. Spotting the target is very important. Spot the target, spin hard, do not telegraph, and put your body weight forward. Body weight into the kick. It's going to look like something. I'm fighting at. From here, all I do is I put my body weight forward. So, even if it is seen and even if it is blocked or even if you move, it is not very effective. You can block this kick, but even then, what will you do while blocking? Because it is so powerful, you will go like that. You might have seen in Bruce Lee movies. Phew. Karate TV online classes are already started. Register. Link is in description if you want to take online classes from Karate TV. हाँ, एक दो चीज़ें बताना भूल गया था. It is basically a karate class with clarified exercises and exercises from Indian style wrestling, and it is complete. But still, we will be following authentic Sangokai Shotokan karate syllabus. We are also having two batches, that is morning batch and evening batch. Sunday there will be revision classes, so you can join anytime. Yeah. And if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe and press the bell icon. Yes. करो, press करो. देख रहा हूँ मैं, करो. नहीं कर रहा ना, करो.